Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is your ultimate 9-in-1 solution. This revolutionary pressure cooker streamlines meal prep, transforming complicated recipes into simple, delicious dishes daily. Imagine having a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, cake baker, and food warmer all in one sleek appliance. Its 15 customizable programs mean perfectly cooked food every time, whether you're making soup, chili, or even a homemade cake. And with its durable stainless steel inner pot, cleaning is a breeze, ensuring healthy meals with zero fuss and maximum safety. This isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's a complete cooking ecosystem designed to simplify your life and expand your culinary horizons. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the best cooking solution for 2025, this is a definite contender. Check out the Amazon link in the description to see current deals and customer reviews for yourself. Say goodbye to multiple appliances and hello to gourmet meals with minimal effort. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have for any modern kitchen. You won't regret this investment.